This is a new message for Clear ESOL students. I want to tell you about the Clear Cooking Challenge. Are you doing a lot of cooking at home at the moment? Are you cooking the same things or are you cooking new things? Are you trying some new things? I'm not very good at cooking, but I know that a lot of you are really good. So we would like to see a photograph of something that you have cooked, something you've cooked at home during the lockdown. Can you send us a photograph of something that you have cooked and try and write the recipe and send us the recipe? You'll need to write the ingredients, so a list of the things that you need, and then you'll need to write the instructions, how to make the food or the dish. So try and write your recipe. You can write it by hand with a pen on paper and take a photograph and then WhatsApp that to your teacher. Or you can type it. You can type it in a Word document and email that to your teacher. Or you could just type your recipe into your phone, send it by WhatsApp. Or if you really want to, if you don't want to write, you could do a voice message. If it's hard, do a voice message and maybe your teacher can help you to write it. If you need help, just ask your teacher, and Sue or Tarina, they will help you, or Philippa, they will help you to write your recipe. When you've sent your recipe and your photograph in, hopefully we will get a collection of Clear ESOL recipes and photos of things that you've been cooking at home. When the lockdown is finished, maybe we can try and cook together some of the things that you have suggested and maybe have a party or something. So we'd love to see what you're cooking. Please send us your photos and please send us your recipes. If you click on the next video, if you watch the next video after my film, you'll see Iransu. Iransu, you all know Iransu, she used to work at Clear, and she has sent us a lovely video showing us how to make Spanish tortillas. Watch the video, have a watch and see what you think. See if you can understand her instructions. I'm going to use her video to try and make Spanish tortillas myself, so I'm going to have a go. Maybe you can have a go. And also, maybe some of you would like to make your own video. You can make your own film and send it to us. You don't have to go on YouTube. You might just send it to your teacher so your teacher can see, or maybe share it with some of your classmates. So I hope you enjoy the Clear Cooking Challenge, and I hope you join in. And most of all, I hope you're keeping safe at home, and I hope you're learning some English. Take care. Bye-bye.